In this video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw your Venom Testnet reward. Okay, so today, which is 25th, okay, was the exact day Venom was listed on OKX and other exchange platform, where those who performed the OKX campaign were able to get like 29.87 Venom tokens, right? So those who joined the testnet also has not received anything yet, so I am going to give you an update concerning that on how to withdraw your Venom Testnet reward. Okay, my name is Kojon Kete of SAS Media Studio. I make a video related to cryptocurrency updates and news, also website development, making passive money online, and also email marketing. So please subscribe if you want such content. All right, so now there's no time to waste, let's get into it. All right, so now when you join their Discord, when you come to their testnet section, they have a beautiful message for all of us. Okay, so this is the message. They are saying we have to express our sincere appreciation for support during our testnet phase. Together we have achieved significant milestones. Okay, so 3 million wallets were created with their Venom wallet, nearly 1 billion transactions completed, 24 tasks on the Venom network tasks were completed. As we transition to the next phase of the launch of the Venom token, contribution of users who have completed most of the tasks on the Venom network will be noted. Additionally, our most valuable community members with the Venom family role will receive some additional rewards. So if you were able to achieve the Venom family role on Discord, you are going to get additional rewards. Okay, so you have to note that. Okay, so the beginning was the OKX listing, which we did today. Community members can expect reward or can expect to receive rewards in Venom tokens. Okay, so that is it. So soon after, we will unveil further details about the on-chain incentive programs. Okay, so what this is trying to tell us is that all those who participated with this will receive their testnet rewards very soon, and I'm going to send you to a place where we are going to see when they are going to give us the testnet rewards. Okay, so just visit venom.network. So now when you visit venom.network, I'll leave the link at the description down below. That's where you are going to see when you are going to receive our testnet token rewards. Okay, so when I click on the rewards over here, you can see that claim your testnet reward, okay, coming soon. All right, how soon? 2 days. Okay, let's say approximately 3 days you can claim your testnet reward. So 2 days and 15 hours remaining at the time of creating this video, which is 25th. Maybe you'll be watching this video on 27th or 28th. Go and check and go and connect your Venom wallet to claim your testnet rewards. All right, so thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video. If you like it, I will be encouraged that you love this kind of content. All right, subscribe for future updates, so okay, or crypto news or crypto updates, and also I will be giving potential airdrops. Okay, so please subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.